Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful channel. On this beautiful day, on this beautiful video. What's up, wrong order? Who cares? Let's keep working on this beautiful game. So how long did I come? How far did I come? I had the other player going. Oh yeah, I made the thing. Let me see. Wait, let me see. Is it in the center? Oh yeah, it's in the center. I fixed that last video. Hell yeah. Okay, so what I want to do this video is just go work with movement and that player here. So I'm gonna have everything position related here, kind of movement related here, or movement related beneath controls. So what we need is a vector 2f, current velocity. We're gonna have a float max velocity. We're going to have a float acceleration, and we're going to, yeah, that's about it, I think. So we're gonna accelerate at a direction that's gonna change our y and x values. So yeah, let's just see if this works. Current velocity is going to be 0. Let's go to the constructor, score, texture, shoot timer, controls this max velocity equals 20. That's pretty fast. This acceleration equals 0.5. Let's just say 0.5 is good, or 1.f. This we can tweak as much as we want, and that's gonna be good. So sprite move this current velocity. Whoops, that's not what I want to do. On the bottom, final move, so it's going to be this sprite dot move at this current velocity. Okay, now here, instead of moving, we're going to be setting stuff. So we're going to be setting stuff. So this means a direction of 0 and 1. Direction of 0 and 1. Okay, vector 2f direction equals 0. Direction 0 dot y equals 1. You know what we'll do, since we don't want to have to do this, I'm gonna actually put it in here so I don't have to make it new every loop. So direction like that. We'll make a little thing here. I'm just gonna do this up, and the direction y1, this current velocity dot x plus equals direction dot x multiplied by acceleration, just like that, if this current velocity dot x is less than this max velocity, and that's gonna be good. And then direction dot x is greater than 0. So that's gonna handle x only if it's greater than 0. This is for y. Y is less than max velocity. Okay. Current velocity y plus equals direction dot y multiplied by acceleration. So that's good. That's good. That's gonna give us a up thing. So let me try that. So it's gonna be 0. Oh wait. Let me remove this other player and just go ahead and try. Okay, wait, that isn't working. Player. Okay, so if I press, which is W, y max velocity and then direction y is greater than 0. So it would be direction y multiplied by acceleration. This current velocity. Something I did was wrong here. If down, so let me see. std cout direction.x and then this current velocity.x dot y in our case, just to check. This acceleration. Okay, we gotta do this and then this, and then since it's a part of the class now, okay, so let me see. So the velocity is, oh, it's 20, 11, 1. The acceleration. Dot x, this current velocity dot y. What? Is that what you want? Then why aren't you moving, bruh? Oh my god, what happened? What just happened? Something just happened. It flipped out. Current velocity dot y. Before moving, I want to see what's going on. Oh wow. Wait, what? Wait, why did that work now? What? I think there's something wrong with these as well. We gotta do this. I haven't experienced with these goddamn things. And there we go. Now it has to be, since it's up, it's going to be, direction is going to be -1 because it's up. Oh, it can't move because it's, goddamn, I'm dumb. Because of the kind of limit, I think. So direction x is greater than 0. What if I do 1 here? Damn. All right. What if I do -1 here? It's kind of strange. 0.f and 1. Alright, so this should be -1 because we want to go up. But let's just create this in here for down. That's gonna be 1. Okay, so up isn't working because it is less. I think it's because of this. Max velocity. I think as soon as it goes, current velocity is greater than minus max velocity. I think we have to change these here since I don't think that works. If current velocity x minus greater than 0. Less than 0. Please, god damn it. Is greater, less than 0. I don't think we need x here at all. And to not confuse myself, okay, now that worked. Alright, so now that worked. That's good. This is for down, so I'm not gonna need x here as well. I'm gonna do that. This is correct. Now I'm gonna need x in here. Need x in these two. I'm gonna need direction. Need direction. So x is going to be, what is this, left? So this is left and this is right. So left means -1, 0. This means 1 and 0. So when we're going -1, it's going to be greater than minus max velocity, and in this direction is less than 0. That's good. That's just how it's supposed to be. Alright, so now we have a more of a kind of a smooth movement here. See how the direction lets it keep going? And I'm gonna have drag. I'm gonna have a drag thingy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do float stabilizer drag. I'm just gonna call it something cool because I'm cool. And this stabilizer force, actually force equals 0.5f. Direction, acceleration, everything's cool. 20 is good. Acceleration is pretty quick. It's pretty quick. So in move, something is always going to be drag force. So if this current velocity dot x is greater than 0, this current velocity dot x minus equals this force, stabilizer force. And the same thing with is less than 0 plus equals. Alright, and we're gonna have a little check in here. This is where you have to do checks, a bunch of checks, and then boom. Okay, else if, so we don't want to check both of those, if this current velocity dot x is less than 0 and this current velocity dot x equals 0. So the stabilizer force, if while doing this it puts it on the other side, it's going to change it back to 0 0 0. Boom. Now we're going to do the same thing for y. If current velocity y is greater than 0, y minus y. Seems like I'm depressed. Why? Okay, we're good. And then you just move it. Now this is gonna be the worst goddamn. No, it does work. It does work. It does stabilize it. It does feel kind of good to play like this, actually. I like playing like this. It feels good. I mean, the drag force is a little high. I think I wanted a little more. The max speed, bro. You can go crazy speeds. Crazy speeds, like straight up Sainik in this biatch. Okay, that wasn't the best. I mean, I don't know if I could play like this, but I mean, I don't know. It feels alright. It feels alright. I think we need to do this and do this and put this up to 30 because it's not fast enough. Alright. Oh, good Lord have mercy. Oh, good Lord have mercy. 0.8. I'm sorry. Whew. Good Lord have mercy, man. Okay. Something wrong. Go away. Okay. So this is just gonna help us. No, that's too slow. Okay, whatever. We'll keep it like it was. 1 and 0.3 is okay. It was alright. I gotta tweak this as I go because yeah, but that feels alright. That feels good. You know what? That feels good. But for the missiles I'm shooting, bruh. I gotta check this. Combat. Okay, so what was it? Here was the acceleration. Max velocity, float acceleration, initial velocity. Initial velocity, I want to put it down to 2. Max velocity, I want to go up to 45 or 50 even. Just make it really cool. Acceleration, have it at 1 maybe. Make them really fast, like missiles. Yeah, that looks cool. They kind of, when you go forward, they kind of hang behind. They're like boom, 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 boom. Yo, that is baller. I like that. Now I'm gonna try that with another player, since everything we're doing is going to be co-op, and I'm gonna try to make a network co-op. Not sure if that's gonna work, but we'll see. Yeah, it does work. Way, everything looks a little smoother and cooler. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I can do this all day. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Hell yeah. Okay, guys and girls. thanks for watching this beautiful video. This was kind of cool, making acceleration and stuff happen. Hope you enjoyed that. I did, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye bye.